Hello guys, in this part of the video, which is the step 10 conclusion. So I really want to talk about the conclusion of this whole system that we've done, and I want to give you some tips on how to optimize and get better results. As you can see, the best way to get results from this video is to first of all watch this video, then again try to practice what you've learned, as in put it into action. Like step 1, step 2, step 3, follow those steps and you're gonna get it done. And one of the theory that this took time because I'm showing you how to do it. If I were to do this directly myself, it is not going to take you more than 30 minutes. And of course, pretty much the first time is going to take you as much time as it did in this particular video tutorial. And by the time you start creating more of this setup, is actually going to be faster. And one thing I really want to say is that make sure that you choose a good problem to solve, and make sure that you make everything look unique. Don't try to copy the exact thing I did in this system, because if a lot of people does it, then a lot of people are going to see the same group, and a lot of people, if you are all using Facebook, which most of you are going to start with Facebook, and if you do the same thing, it's gonna like why the same thing you're doing over. So don't use my suggestion. Go ahead and find the problem, and then use this stuff and start getting traffic. And so what else to talk about now? Now that we have been able to set up this system, now I really want to talk about optimization and then scaling. Now, if you set up a particular method and this method starts working for you, you can keep on adding more niches, and the more niches you add, let's say you have like 10 niches set up, let's say you have like 10 niche set up on this, then let's say at max each niche gets to pay $5 per day. That's $50 per day times 13. This is 5 times 10, minimum of 5 times 10 times 30. This is like 1 5 on its own. You understand? This is like, assuming that you have 5 niches set up, and each niche is like giving you just one conversion per day, without considering that just one person, without considering the purchases made from the clickbanks and all those stuff, which is going to grab, which is with those purchases per day. This is gonna be like awesome. It's going to be wow, as in it's gonna blow you away. So what I want to say is that once you create a setup, and you see it's working well, just you've got it like 2-2 conversion. Try to see what you can see to optimize it, and once you're doing the optimization, try to see more places you can get traffic. By joining forums, join more forums, where you can post this stuff related to this particular stuff, then create more of these similar stuffs. You understand? Create more, follow the entire process, and create more. Duplicate, duplicate what works for you, and before you know, I'm very certain that you are going to be making a lot of money per month using this simple system, and which you don't have to spend any money for, and it's actually for free. And a lot of people be like, oh, actually this is the best way to make money for free. I'm going to tell you, there's nothing more simple and more effective than solving problems and giving out people solutions for free. And that is exactly what you've just been able to do. And I hope you will get great conversions for this, and you're still gonna say hi to me and let me. So what's gonna happen right now is that if you have any comments, any section, any problem related to this content, to this video, please comment in the section below, in the comment section of this video. I'm gonna reply. If you have any problem, if you have any fix, I'm gonna reply. And if you need to contact me for things outside this, please use the contact section in the description below, such as you have issues creating a PayPal account, such as you have issues creating a feedback account. I'm gonna just use the contact section. Don't mention those in the description because I won't reply them. I'm gonna be busy. I'm gonna be using the comment section as an interaction, as a community, where you're gonna if you have any problem, if you have any problem related to each step, you're free to comment in that section, and I'm going to reply. And of course, you'll be surprised that other people are ready to help you even if I come, because other people, this is going to be like a community already, because other people are going to be watching this video, and this video is going to be online forever, just like your contents are going to be online forever. So any question you ask someone, I've answered it before, so you can just check through this comment section to see someone has answered it, asked of it before, and if has got an answer, or you can just feel free to just drop a comment section, drop a comment. Of course, I'm going to like it. So if you actually enjoy this video, I really want you to make sure you subscribe to this channel, share this video also to get to more people, and I really hope you have a nice time enjoying how to make money fully giving away freebies.